This is a short tutorial to show you how you can make your green screen profile photo. So what we're going to do is start in Photoshop, and your screen will look like this in Photoshop. You are going to first import or open your green screen portrait. So I saved mine onto the desktop, and here it is right here. And so I'm going to open this, and the easiest way to get rid of the green in this picture is to go up and use the color range tool. So you want to make sure, I've already selected this, but what you're going to do is select this eyedropper with the plus sign, and you're just going to click on the various parts of the green until you've sort of left yourself all clear and white like this. Make sure that select is sample colors, fuzziness is at 0, range, I don't know, in the 20s. So just make sure you've selected all this, because once you've got yourself sort of highlighted there, you're going to hit OK, and you'll see that I've got these little dots around myself, and this is what's going to cut me out of this picture. I can make this selection a little bit cleaner if I go to Refine Edge here. And I can smooth out these edges. I could feather, although I don't really like the effect that feather gives. It sort of blurs the edges like that. So I usually just feather a little, just kind of, again, smooth out some of the roughness of the cutout. And then when I'm happy with it, I'll hit OK. And there I've got myself highlighted. Alright, then I'm going to get my background, and so I'm going to open, select my background image, which is right here. You want to make sure that you are on this tool up here. So click on that. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to cut and paste. So I'm going to cut myself out of here, and I'm going to paste myself into here. Now you'll see a layer is created right here, and that's the layer I just pasted. You can't see it here because it's really big, and so I have to shrink it down. And there's probably an easier way to do this. This is the only way I know how to do it, so that's what I'm going to show you. So you want to go up to Image, you want to go up to Edit, and you want to scroll down to Transform, and then select Scale. We're going to shrink this image down. So here's the corner. Hold down the Shift key so that it shrinks it equally, both height and width. And you're just going to shrink it. And hold down the Shift key again, shrink it. You'll see that I will start to appear. So I'm going to shrink it again. And I'm going to shrink it. Like I said, there's probably an easy way to do this. Unfortunately, I don't know what it is. Hold the Shift key down, shrink it some more. And there, you can see I start to appear. So I'm going to shrink. And then I'm just going to place myself in the photo where I want to be. And once I've got that, and I can sort of shrink it some more. I can move myself around. There we go. And then I'm going to click this little icon right here again, and I'm going to apply the transformation, and then I'm all set. So that's how you do it. I can crop the image now if I want to by just moving this here and moving this here, and then click the check, and I'm all good. What I'm going to have you guys do is save this as a JPEG. So save as a JPEG. Title it your name and then reading. And then you can save it to your desktop or to your Google Drive. But I just want to make sure we have a copy of you reading the book that takes place in the setting that you selected. And you'll see that I've got that saved right here as a JPEG. And there we go. So good luck.